Come test drive this 2009 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and air conditioning. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.